Hello everyone and welcome back to Nine Nails Garage. Today behind me we have my wife's 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. We're going to be putting a rough country dual exhaust system on it. It's a catback dual exhaust system and hopefully it sounds really good. Now if you haven't seen any of my other videos, go ahead and check them out. We built this truck. We bought it with some damage on it and we did a full repaint on it. We also put the lift kit on it, we put bumpers front and rear on it, and we did a bunch of other cool things to it. So check out those other videos. Now this dual exhaust system from Rough Country, it is a catback dual exhaust system, and it costs $569.99 with free shipping from either Rough Country's website or other websites. They're all the same price. So this is a pretty economical exhaust system for those of you that are looking for an aftermarket exhaust system for your Ram 1500. Also, I realized that some of you aren't interested in the installation of the exhaust and you just came here for the sound clip. So we're gonna play those at the beginning of the video just to show you the before and after of the exhaust. So we're gonna play those right now. Alright, for those of you that stuck around, now we will get the truck in the garage, we will get that box in there opened up, and we will see what's inside. We'll get started with putting it on. Alright, so here is everything that came in the kit. This is a complete kit, so it comes with everything you need to get this install done. We got all of our clamps over here. Looks like we've got a mount bushing. I think these are the pipes that come out for the back, for the that go right to the tips there. Here's our muffler. It's a pretty good sized muffler, so I think we're gonna get some good sound out of it, and hopefully it doesn't sound like a glass pack. Nice dual walled tips. I really like these. I'm not a fan of single walled. I'm just personal preference. I like those better. And here's everything else. Looks like to be pretty good quality and good heavy duty tubing. All the hangers look to be good shape. And the packaging for this exhaust was really good as well. It's all blow molded in here. You can see everything was wrapped up nicely, and you know, just so it won't arrive all damaged. So that's good too. So this exhaust system, it also has the option to, if you don't have the dual exhaust in the bumper already, you can have the exhaust exit from the sides too. I believe they call that a kicker. But we are gonna use these pipes over here because we're gonna have it come out from the bumper. So these ones we're not gonna be using. That is there, F. But now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get started by removing the old exhaust system. So hopefully it doesn't give us too much trouble and it comes off in, well, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 pieces, not 100. So here's the old exhaust system. We just got it out. It really wasn't that bad to take out. I was really kind of surprised. The truck, it is a Southern truck, born and raised here, and it only has 50,000 miles on it. Now we're gonna go ahead and we are going to install our muffler, but first we're gonna install this little extension pipe right there in front of the muffler. We'll put that on, get the muffler up there, and then we'll put those two on, and well, we'll just continue to build the exhaust. Alright, so we got everything slid into place underneath the truck. All the exhaust slid together very nicely. We got all the clamps on it. So now that we got everything exactly where we want it and everything's all fitted together, we're gonna go ahead and tighten everything up. Alright, so there you go. Everything is all in place, bolted up, and it looks absolutely awesome. I love how far they stick out. You know, they stick out just a little bit so you know it's there, and everything up underneath is very nice and clean. So that is just going to be about all for installing this rough country dual exhaust on my Ram 1500. I hope this helps some of you out that are looking for a dual exhaust, and check out this rough country exhaust. It's a good exhaust, it's well built, and I think it's going to last a long time. Also, I do have a bunch more videos on this Ram 1500, so check those out. There's going to be a lot more to come with this truck too. We got a lot more we can do to it, and a lot more fun we're going to have. So thanks for watching today's video. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.